Alright guys, so today's question is at two numbers, and this is a really popular question. It's just about linked lists, and basically the question is asking us to actually, let's say they are giving us two linked lists, and then this linked lists are non-empty and they are stored in reverse order, and each of their nodes contains single digits at the two numbers and return sum as a linked list. So which means that if they give us 2 4 3 and then 5 6 4, basically if this is reverse order, which means that the original order is 3 4 2, and then for this one the original order is 4 6 and 5, right? So whenever we add them together, we're gonna get 807, but we're gonna return this 807 as 708. The reason that is because it's not possible to get actually the first, whenever like actually we are getting the first digit first, we gotta start from the 7, and the idea is like, say if we have 807, first we're gonna take the mod of this one, which is gonna give us 7, and after that our number is gonna be equal to actually 80. And so right now as a digit we have this one 7. It's not possible to get the 8 right away, so we gotta start from the last. So when we have the 7, we're gonna divide this our original number to 10, and then we have right now 80, and we're gonna again take the mod of this 80, and then we're gonna have digit of 0, and the normal number is gonna be equal to 8, and we're gonna take the digit of again 8, and then number is gonna be equal to 0. So we're gonna be doing this till the number is bigger than 0. So this is why we're actually returning this 708, and actually the solution that I'm going to be applying is going to be equal to recursive solution. And basically I will just return the helper function from here. I will have L1 and then L2 and then 0, L2 and then 0, and then the helper is going to be equal to L1 and then L2 and then C. So this helper function is gonna, if let's say L1 is equal to none and L2 is equal to none and C is equal to 0, in this case it's gonna return right away. Otherwise, let's say the total is gonna be equal to L1 plus value, or actually let's say L1 dot value is going to be equal to L1 dot value if L1 we have a value, else is going to be equal to 0, and then L2 value is going to be equal to L2 dot value if L2 else 0, and then total is going to be equal to total value is going to be equal to, from here, L1 value plus 2 value plus C, and then whenever we have the total, right now we can assign a new value, which means that node is going to be equal to list node. From this we're going to have the total divided by, take the node 10, oh my goodness, and so we assign a new value to our node. We created this node right now. Then next step that we want to do is actually node.next is going to be equal to helper, and we have L1 dot there you go. So the actual length of the arrays are not the same, so maybe we're gonna have the none value for one of the array. We gotta check that part. So L1.next is gonna be equal to L1.next if L1 else, let's say none, L2 next equal to L2.next if L2 else none, and from here we're gonna actually say L1 next, L2 next, and then the value that we we want to add here as a C is going to be equal to total divided by 10, and we just need to return actually from here this note. If I don't have any syntax error. Yeah, there you go, guys. This is the solution. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.